Hi everyone! For releasing, we have a brand new 2025 Tourer straight from dealership. This is the first mode we have done so far. We replaced the stock headlight bulb to LED. For the fog lamp, we're going to change into Baja. We're waiting for the stock to arrive. For the horn, we install two sets, PIAA, auto, and bass horn. And also, for the tint on this unit, we're using for the front three glasses, we're using the Clear Max. This is a little bit of bluish, bluish, 99.2% heat rejection. While the second row, all the way to the back, we're using the Supreme, 99% heat rejection. And also, for the sliding door, we converted into power sliding door. One bottom. Very convenient. The nice thing with this one is that you have separate switch where you're inside. You can control the switch close open, or using this handle, or on the door side, the driver's side, there is a control switch also. I'll show you. To close, very simple. Soft touch. See? Yeah, this is the switch on the unit. This one. And lastly, for the protection, we coated the whole unit with IGL coating. This is a 5-layer coats. All, even the plastic parts. Before, this one is not this deep black, it's more faded. Even it's brand new now, it's very shiny black. And all the grill, we coated it with ceramic coating. You see the deep gloss shine on the unit. For the wheels, we also coated this one temporarily, but the client is going to use, we're going to change this into 18-inch with all-terrain tires. So this is the phase 1 build on the Tourer. And also, before I forgot, we're going to install also 4 captain chair inside. We'll do more videos on the next build on this Tourer. Hi everyone! The rims and tires just arrived on this Toyota Tourer. On this unit, we're installing the 18-inch. The clients wants OEM look, so we put Toyota logo. This is a gunmetal color wheels with mill on the edge. As you can see, mill, machine finish, then gunmetal on the spoke. And the tires we're using on this one, we're using the Cooper Discovery ATT, all-terrain, because the client uses on back roads. And this is specifically for the van. As you can see, the stands, fender level, no issue when the sliding door open. Simplicity is the best. We also cater 19-inch, 20-inch, 21-inch, 22-inch for your Super Grandia. It depends on the client choices. Feel free to message me and please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!